Welcome to the Newcastle University School of Dental Sciences. We're here today to give you a tour of all the facilities that we have available for you to use when you're here as a student. We've been here teaching since 1895. We are connected to the RVI Hospital as well as the Dental Hospital, meaning we're one of the largest integrated complexes in the UK. The Walton Library is one of 4 libraries here on campus. It is specifically for the use of medical science students. In the Walton Library, we've got several different types of study spaces. We've got quiet study, silent study, as well as collaborative study. You can book to share a room with your friends. You can even relax in the snug or use our IT clusters. In the School of Dental Sciences, we teach you in a variety of ways. You have time in lectures, clinics, as well as seminars. This is the RB Green Lecture Theatre, one of the largest lecture theatres we have on campus. It can fit up to 470 people, so it's perfect for whole group lectures.
Clinical teaching is a really important part of our curriculum. We have several different dental hospital clinics that you get to experience during your time here at Newcastle University, as well as our clinical and technical teaching spaces. Following a £5.7 million refurbishment, these purpose-built spaces are bright, airy, and include the most modern facilities. Up on the 7th floor, we have our Clinical Skills Unit, or CSU for short. This is where you'll learn the practical skills that you will need to become a dentist or a dental therapist. We have state-of-the-art equipment here, such as phantom heads and X-ray units. These allow you to practice procedures such as fillings and fissure sealants. Sessions in the CSU allow you to develop the skills you will need to go on to treat your own patients in the clinic. The Technical Teaching Unit is a really flexible space that can open up for large group teaching. It includes more phantom heads, operating microscopes and large AV screens. In this space, you'll learn how to make crowns and dentures, among other things. Our teaching of dental surgery is part of the Clinical Simulation Unit. It's set up like a surgery that you would find in a dental hospital or clinic. It gives our students the opportunity to practice their patient-facing skills through simulations and teaching. Other spaces on the 7th floor include the Digital Dentistry Suite with 3D printers and intraoral scanners, the Prep Laboratory, group teaching spaces, and our haptic simulation room.
This here is the Clinical Skills Lab. This is where you learn about the anatomy of the head and neck in stage 1. You're able to learn with the cadavers, and we use ProSection here at Newcastle.
On floor 3, we have the Oral Surgery Department, which forms part of Newcastle's Dental Hospital. Our students here gain really valuable experience and learn from NHS hospital staff. This is one of our clinics where students get to treat their own patients. There are multiple closed surgeries designed to give privacy to patients who are undergoing more invasive treatments, and teaching spaces are kitted out with state-of-the-art equipment and mannequins.
This is the school office. It's staffed by really helpful admin staff, so if you have any questions or concerns, you can always come here to get them checked.
This is one of 2 social spaces that are used by our students in the dental school. It's a really good place to hang out after a lecture. There is also the Crown and Bridge, which hosts events that are run by the Dental Society, DENTSOC, and it's a really good way for our students to catch up after a busy week of clinics and lectures.
This is Dental Bite. In here you can get a selection of hot and cold food. It's a great place to meet your friends, and they even offer student discount. We've reached the end of the tour of the School of Dental Sciences. We hope you found that useful, and we really hope to see you here soon. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with us with the email address on the screen.